About 99% of people still get this simple algebraic expression wrong. Now, look at how some persons solve this question here. We have 40 divided by 4 into 6 plus 4. Now, they start off with this, and the expression becomes 40 divided by 4. Use of parentheses here have multiplication. Now 6 plus 4, that gives 10. Now they carried out this multiplication right here, and we have 40 divided by 4 times 10, that gives 40. When right here 40 divided by 40, that gives 1. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. Now, to solve this correctly, we have a solution. Now, 4t divided by 4 into 6 plus 4. Right here, we are going to follow this other operation, PEMDAS. Now, following this other operation, the first parameter here, we have parentheses, which talks about this bracket here. Now, we have this, no exponents. We have multiplication because of these parentheses. We have division and addition in the parentheses, no subtraction. But right here, multiplication and division have the same precedence. You need to know that. Then the operation right here is from left to right, irrespective of the position. Now right here, we are going to consider parentheses first, and we need to simplify the term inside the parentheses. We have this, and the expression becomes 40 divided by 4. Because of parentheses, we have multiplication right here. Now inside the brackets, 6 plus 4, that gives us 10. And the next, we are going to consider division, because division is of higher priority than the multiplication. Then right here, we consider this. Therefore, 40 divided by 4, that gives us 10 when multiplied by 10. Then lastly, we perform multiplication here. Now 10 times 10, that gives us 100. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.